Hello, hello. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Jelly.
And I'm David. We're very happy you're here today.
Today's episode is very simple, very easy, and very helpful.
Yes, today we will learn English with simple dialogues, step by step, slowly, together.
If you are a beginner, don't worry. You are in the right place.
We will listen, then we will talk, then we will listen again.
That's how you improve speaking. Easy practice, no pressure.
Before we start, small request. Like this episode, subscribe to the channel.
And share it with a friend who wants to learn English.
All right, take a deep breath. Let's start learning.
Simple dialogues.
Dialogue 1, saying hello.
First dialogue. Very basic, very important.
Listen first. Just listen.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good job listening. Now let's understand.
Hi and hello mean the same. They are greetings.
Repeat with us. Say hi.
Say hello.
Say how are you?
Good. Now answers.
I'm good.
I'm fine.
You can also say I'm okay.
Let's listen again.
Hi. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great job. You just spoke English. Dialogue 2. Talking about your name.
Next dialogue. Talking about your name.
Listen first.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is David. What's your name?
My name is Jelly.
Very simple. Let's explain.
What's your name means aapka naam kya hai?
My name is, then say your name.
Now repeat slowly.
What's your name?
My name is Jelly.
Good job. Say your own name now.
Yes, say it loud. My name is...
Let's listen again.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is David. What's your name?
My name is Jelly.
Nice. You're improving already. Dialogue 3. Talking about morning routine.
Now let's talk about daily life. Morning routine.
Listen first.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Simple and real.
Let's break it down.
What time do you wake up? Means aap kab uthte ho.
I wake up at 7. You can change the time.
Repeat with us.
I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 7.
Now actions.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
Example sentence.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Nice and simple.
Listen again.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Great listening.
Dialogue 4. Talking about food. Everyone loves food. So let's talk about food.
Listen first.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Very good.
Now practice words.
I eat
Rice.
vegetables.
Chicken.
My sentence.
I eat rice for lunch.
Another example.
I like simple food.
Listen again.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Good job.
Dialogue 5. Talking about work or study. Now work or study. Beginner style.
Listen.
Do you work or study?
I study English.
Where do you study?
I study at home.
Nice and clear.
Repeat after us.
I work.
I study.
I study English.
You're doing it right now.
Listen again.
Do you work or study?
I study English.
Where do you study?
I study at home.
Excellent.
Simple greetings. First, let's start with greetings.
Very important. We use greetings every day.
Listen first. Hello.
Hi,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good job. Now listen again.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Now you speak. Pause the audio. Say the sentences.
Great. You're doing well already. Talking about yourself.
Now let's talk about yourself.
Simple sentences. Very useful. Listen. My name is Jelly.
My name is David.
I am learning English.
I like learning English.
Listen again.
My name is David.
I am learning English.
Now you try.
Say, my name is...
Say, I am learning English.
Excellent. Your English is growing. Daily activities.
Now let's talk about daily activities.
Things we do every day. Listen carefully. I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I take a bath.
I eat breakfast.
Example sentence. My breakfast is simple.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Listen again.
I eat breakfast.
My breakfast is simple.
Now your turn.
Say, I wake up.
Say, I eat breakfast.
Perfect. Keep going. Likes and dislikes.
Now let's talk about likes.
Very easy sentences. Listen. I like tea.
I like coffee.
I like simple food.
I like learning English.
Listen again.
I like English.
Now you speak.
Say, I like...
Good job. That sounds great. Simple questions. Now, simple questions.
Questions help us talk with people.
Listen, how are you?
I am fine.
What do you like?
I like tea.
Listen again.
What do you like?
I like tea.
Your turn now.
Ask, what do you like?
Answer, I like.
Excellent speaking. Short real-life dialogue.
Now let's hear a real-life dialogue.
Just listen first. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. I like learning English.
Me too.
Now listen again. Now pause and repeat with us. Great work. You are speaking real English now.
Hello again.
Nice to see you.
Welcome back. You are doing great. Yes, very simple sentences.
Let's quickly practice.
Listen and repeat.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good job. Your mouth is opening more now.
Talking about daily activities. Today, we talk about daily actions.
Things we do every day.
Listen first. I wake up.
I get up.
I brush my teeth.
I take a bath.
Listen again.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
Now you speak.
Say, I wake up.
Say, I brush my teeth.
Very nice. Your pronunciation is better already. Simple food sentences.
Now let's talk about food.
Easy and useful. Listen, I eat food.
I eat breakfast.
My breakfast is simple.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Listen again.
My breakfast is simple.
Now your turn.
Say, I eat breakfast.
Say, my breakfast is simple. Excellent. You sound confident. Likes and preferences.
Now let's practice likes.
Very common in daily life. Listen carefully. I like tea.
I like coffee.
I like simple food.
I like English.
Listen again.
I like English.
Now you speak.
Say, I like.
Great answer. That's correct.
Short questions and answers. Now we practice questions.
Listen first. What do you like?
I like tea.
What do you eat?
I eat simple food.
Listen again.
What do you like?
I like tea.
Your turn now.
Ask, what do you like?
Answer, I like.
Very good. You are speaking real English now. Real life mini dialogue. Now a small real life dialogue.
Just listen.
Hello.
Hi.
What do you like?
I like tea. And you?
I like coffee.
Nice.
Listen again. Now pause and repeat with us. Amazing work. Keep practicing.
Wrap up, recap, and community question.
Let's recap today's phrases.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
My name is blank. I am learning English.
I wake up. I eat breakfast.
I like tea. I like learning English.
You did an amazing job today. Remember, small steps bring big progress. Practice every day. Speak slowly. Don't be afraid.
Now, our question for you. Tell us in the comments, what do you like to do every day?
We can't wait to read your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. Keep learning. You're doing great.